Here is Kenyatta University, and guess what? So much good things are coming ahead of you, okay? So stay in touch. Hello here. Mambo. Mko poa?
Yeah.
Manze, unaitwa nani?
Mimi naitwa Lyle Owiti.
Lyle Owiti. Na wewe is
Joy Mwenda.
Joy Mwenda.
Yes.
Asanteni sana kwa kunipa hii nafasi ya kuongea na nyinyi. Ninayo maswali mazito kuwauliza.
Mazito.
Swali heavy questions. I hope you are ready to answer the questions.
I don't mind.
You don't mind?
I don't mind.
And you?
I don't mind also.
Okay, okay. So guys, why did you choose KU?
I actually chose KU because of let me just say I love the ambience. I love the environment. Mm-hmm. It's actually very friendly. That's for me. And then again I'm a professional swimmer. So I also love the pool. Yeah, and the studies for till now. I can say that they're good, even though I'm inside 2 weeks. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Wow. And how about you, Mwende?
I chose Kenyatta University because their facilities are really great. The environment is nice, and also the education is also really good. Yeah, that's why I chose Kenyatta University.
Wow.
Yeah.
And you guys look like couples. Nyinyi ni couples. Who will answer that? I'll give the man.
No, we're not. We're just very close friends.
Yeah. Oh, close friends.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you have a girlfriend?
No, I don't.
Really?
Yeah, I don't.
Be 100% true.
100%. Anyone can search on me. I don't. Yeah.
And how about you?
No, I don't.
You own a boyfriend?
Wallahi sina.
What's wrong?
That was wrong. You go to.
Uh-huh.
Hey, just because we don't want people to.
So, would you mind if I ask this next question?
Which one?
Which will be a little bit tough for you guys.
No
But
problem.
if it's tough enough, mnaweza sema pass, sindio?
Okay.
So when is the last time you had it?
Okay. For me, I'm very clean.
Clean?
Yes, I'm clean.
How clean?
Very.
Never.
I've never had it. I'm a Christian.
Come on. In the 21st century, be real bro.
No, I'm being real. Yeah, I've never had it. Yeah. I'm
So
clean.
when will be your first time?
Let me just say God's plan. Yeah, God's plan.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how about you? Just be real. It's your hoping too.
No. For real.
For real. Okay. So when would you love to have it again?
God's plan.
God's plan.
Yeah.
Wow.
But definitely not after marriage. That one I know it's not gonna happen. Yeah.
Have you ever masturbated?
No, I don't.
Never?
Never.
Haujaiteremka huko chini na mikono?
Like honestly, there are much better things to do for me. So masturbating, nah.
So it's not cut out for you?
I don't think so. Yeah, because as I said, we're all humans. Not everyone is like others. So there's some people who have done it. There's some people who haven't. For me, I'm in the group that hasn't. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. And you sis, have you ever masturbated?
Nope.
For real? Okay. Now the next question is this one. So have you watched porn, Basi?
Actually, about that, yes.
Let me give you some statistics. 90% of internet inakuanga ni pornography. And do you know pornography pays well than any other video?
Yes, I do know it.
Have you ever watched them?
Only once when I was actually twice when I was in class 6. By then puberty hit me hard. So like I just heard many people saying at hey, have you watched this? Then I didn't know exactly what it was, but when I went to the site, that was when I saw it.
I can remember the name of the site. We have many. We have Phonerotica,
Huh?
the X-Boy. Can you remember any?
Okay. Yeah, I was small. My memory is vivid, but it's just a site over there. Like they just gave something like a link. Yeah, it was in a group. I was in. Yeah, it was just a class group we formed. Yeah, about that I can't lie. I actually watched porn.
That's good. Yeah. Na umesema no kila kitu. Wewe amesema yes. At
Hadi
least
mimi nishaiwatch porn.
umewatch porn. And by the way, sikukuuliza ni style gani ulipenda? Style gani hiyo?
Yo.
We have the doggy style.
Okay, there are two styles that I liked when I watched it.
Mkubali kuna hiyo.
That's two styles that are interesting, if I can say.
Which one?
Number one, missionary, where the boy takes over everything. Then number two, do you know the horse ride?
Yeah, horse ride.
Basically, you will just let the girl take over. Yeah.
Now this is horse ride, unasema missionary, dog style, wheelbarrow.
Kuna wheelbarrow.
Okay, hebu tuambie.
I loved doggy style.
Everyone loves dog.
Everyone. I don't hizo zingine nimesikia saizi. Sijuangi ingine nimesikia saizi. Oh, that one I know hiyo, and then yeah, the others I don't know still.
Okay. So that you are here in college, what kind of girls do you like? Do you like which kind of girl?
Okay, for me, I don't judge girls by their bodies. That's me. That's I'm a very weird guy. So, like, I just wanted a girl that if we talk, like, to establish a rapport.
So you vibe in.
Yeah, like, so ni kuongea, like, na tu unaweza have fun kidogo, like, okay, not having the deed yet, but just like tunaongea, like tunachapa ma story, tuna have fun, but like, yeah, obviously for me, I can't lie, I'm a man, so I can be attracted to the body first sometimes. Sometimes, but if you're someone who can just talk nicely and you can talk for a long time, I don't mind. Yeah.
I like, of course, you have to be good looking.
Six pack.
No, see, it's not necessary.
Handsome.
Yeah, good looking. Don't be. Spenengi wanakonga bodybuilders. I don't like such. Yeah.
Take bodybuilders anaweza kuwa kama mtoto.
And I don't want that. Yeah, and just be polite, respect. Yeah, polite, respect someone's decisions. Yeah, and be understanding.
Wow. Guys, I really love that you've been 100% real with yourselves. Now, if you are still virgins, maintain it. That is, if you are really that.
Yeah.
Keep it till marriage.
Yeah, of course.
Abstain. Kama wewe ni virgin, abstain mpaka hiyo wakati, okay?